Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, November 17th, and what I want to show you today is not only the Trade Scalper software on a range chart, but something a little different that one of my students brought to my attention is on a Renko chart. So before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So if you look here at the chart for today, I'm using a range chart, and typically a range chart is used when the market is a little bit slower or it's a little bit choppier, where 1 minute chart may not do as well. So a range chart is also an idea where distance is being calculated instead of time. So a time chart, a minute chart, basically works on time for every candle that's created. A range chart is plotting based on distance only. So it's a little bit different. You can have both charts up if you'd like, minute chart, range chart, and you can see the signals for today. They are a short here at about 8 o'clock in the morning pre-market. This is a pre-market trade. And then another one here pre-market to go long, and another one right as the market opens, which I don't think is a good idea, right, to jump in right as the market opens, because there's a lot of volatility. Our stops are small, so this is an issue. Even though the trade was good in this case, typically I think it's risky. And as we go throughout the day, whether you took a trade pre-market or overnight or not, there are plenty of opportunities. So you can see here at about 9:47, there was a great short opportunity here at 46.8775. And as we continue here, here is a long trade. If you took just these two trades and stopped, you'd be up for the day and we're finished within the first hour, hour and a half of trading, and which is nice. Now if you wanted to continue to trade, here is another one at about 10:15, 10:16, 46.85 quarter. Here's another long signal. As you can see, there's a lot of great signals here using the range chart. Now again, use a range chart when the market is a little bit slower or more of a regular type of activity. Now when it's high volatility, when the market is out of control, a lot of news, we do not use the range chart. We only use the minute chart or even the 5-minute chart, because these candles are really moving very quickly very fast. We don't want to chase this market. We want to be able to get in and get out reasonably without a lot of slippage. Now as far as using a Renko chart, let me just bring over here a Renko chart. So here is a Renko chart. This is again for today, and Steve, one of my students who has the Trade Scalper, said, hey, have you looked at the Renko charts? And I have not. I typically stick with what I like and what I know, and usually it's the minute chart using price action. And so Renko charts, as you can see here with these bricks, and he recommended a brick of 2, Renko of 2, has again some opportunities. Once again, you see the same signal, 46.92, right as the market opens to enter short. And if I compare that with, let me just do a quick comparison here. I haven't really even looked at this to see if the signals align up. Here is 46.90, yeah, same signal, 46.92 on the 2-range chart and 46.92 on the Renko chart. So the signals do align up. Sometimes they don't, because the calculation is a little bit different depending on the chart. So if you use a tick chart, a range chart, a minute chart, you won't always see the same exact signals, because the calculation for the Trade Scalper software is different. So as we go forward here on the Renko chart, there's another short here, and there's a long, a short. Not too bad. I think the Renko chart shows some promise. Again, here it is. The only thing I would recommend is not chasing the market. This signal here would probably be a break-even trade. I would not hold on to this if it's not going in my favor. Unlike this one's good, this one's good, this one's good. So the Renko chart actually looks decent for what I'm seeing. This is only my analysis as of today. I'll do some more analysis and I'll put out more videos to see if the Renko chart is something that the users that are having success with the Trade Scalper may want to actually add another chart to their system and say, let me look at not just the minute chart or the range chart, but let me also look at the Renko chart as an opportunity. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email us. There's a Contact Us page at Day Trade to Win. The next mentorship class is starting later this month. Check the website for the next date. The Trade Scalper software is included, as well as the Atlas line, the blueprint, the roadmap, the At the Open. So we have a lot of software that we bundle together as a package for mentorship. My name is John Paul. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.